Jamaican women and their natural hair, a unique symbol behind it. A symbol of survival, resistance and celebration, a form of natural beauty and empowerment. The Jamaicans, when getting their hair done, use it as a time to bond with family and friends. To Jamaican women, their hair is a spiritual source of power, and some Jamaicans, like the ones from the Rasta communities, believe the crown where the hair sprouts from, has divine power connected to a higher being. Jamaicans' hair come in a range of textures, but the most common hair type is kinky to curly with lots of volume. But Jamaica's weather can be so hot at times, that it frustrates some people to cut their thick hair, to shoulder length. In the 1970s, a new trend for doing Afro hair, arose from America, and it took off in Jamaica also. It is called the Jerry curl. It was a style that transforms thick locks into loose soft curls, some with waves, provided a curly and glossy look. It was a two-step formula that when applied, softens the hair, and watches curls form.